Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is meaning of still life drawing. Meaning of still life drawing. Still life drawing is the drawing of non-living things or objects. Still life drawing is also include painting, to create many or visual effects. Examples of still life drawing are pot, cup, book, chair and table, house, television, etc. Remember, drawing is the act of making pictures of living and non-living things on drawing papers, cardboard, etc. using appropriate materials. Drawing materials. Number 1. Pencil, ink, eraser, ruler, crayon, drawing board, paper, chalk, and marker. Types of drawing. There are different types of drawing. Number 1. Life drawing. Number 2. Still life drawing. Number 3. Landscape drawing. Number 4. Natural drawing. Number 5. Imaginative drawing. And number 6. Experienced drawing. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.